Hello, good morning. Today is Ada's birthday, April 11, 2025. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Madaming estudyante. Parang baccalaureate nila ngayon. Oh, today, Mama, Papa, and Baby Ada, dito kami sa simbahan para mag candle lightning. Sige na. Let's go, ma. Ada. Hello, good morning. Baby Ada. Baby, come on. Baby Ada. Go. Bing, let's go na. Baby. 6 a.m. in the morning. Hello. Hello. Oh, Koabe. Oy. Wah. Mama.
Hello, everyone.
Be, magano na. Amen na. Slowly. Come here. Just be here, oh. Kasi Ada, be. Ada, careful. Baby. Sige na, let's go na. Be, let's go there, be, oh. Let's go there. Come here, baby. Be. Come here, oh. Baby Ada. Come here na. Let's go. Hold papa, hold papa, hold papa. Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Let's go na. Dali na. Hello. Dali. Ay. Let's go. Ma, ganito ma. Kami na po.
Kami na. Let's go. Let's go. Ay, sige.